ServiceTitan doesn't publish a single flat setup fee, because most of the real cost comes from onboarding services, configuration time, and how complex your business is to migrate into the system. By the end of this, you'll understand what actually drives ServiceTitan setup cost, and where companies usually end up spending more than expected. Start with the biggest factor. ServiceTitan is an enterprise-level platform built for home service businesses. That means setup is not a quick install. It's a structured onboarding process that includes system configuration, data migration, and team training. Now look at implementation. Most of the real cost comes from getting your business data moved into the system correctly. That includes customers, job histories, pricing structures, and technician workflows. The more complex your business, the more setup time is required. Next, consider onboarding services. ServiceTitan often includes guided implementation packages that are designed to help teams configure the software correctly from the start. These services are where a large portion of upfront cost comes in, especially for multi-location or multi-service companies. Now look at internal labor cost. Even if the software onboarding is bundled, your team still spends time setting everything up. That includes office staff, dispatchers, and field technicians learning and adapting to the system. That time has a real operational cost, even if it doesn't show up as a direct invoice. Next, consider training requirements. ServiceTitan is powerful, but it has a steep learning curve. Companies often spend significant time training staff to use scheduling, invoicing, and reporting tools correctly. That training time adds to total onboarding cost indirectly. Now look at integration setup. Many businesses connect ServiceTitan with accounting tools, payment processors, or marketing systems. Each integration adds configuration time and sometimes requires extra support. Next, think about customization. ServiceTitan is highly customizable for workflows, pricing rules, and reporting. But more customization means more setup complexity and longer onboarding cycles. Finally, understand the system. ServiceTitan setup cost is not a single number. It's a combination of implementation services, internal setup time, training, and system customization based on how your business operates. To sum it up, the real cost usually comes from three things: how much data you need to migrate, how much customization your workflows require, and how much training your team needs to fully adopt the system. Next step is simple. Before signing up, map out your workflows, count your required integrations, and decide how much setup you can realistically handle in-house versus what you'll need help with. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more ServiceTitan breakdowns, field service software guides, and simple explanations that make enterprise tools easier to understand.